Hello, I need to explain something on how I came up with these solutions. So you follow me step by step. First, we need to understand the question. The question says the diagram below shows a bean in the form of a frustum with a square base. So this is a square base. We know the properties of a square, that a square has got same sides equal. If here is 2 centimeters, that means even here is 2 centimeters, even here it's 2 centimeters, even here it will be 2 centimeters. So we know for sure that if this here is 10, if this side is 10, even this side it's 10, even this side is 10, even this side is 10. If this is 4, even this side is 4, there is 4, and there is 4, because the basis is a square. Another thing that you need to know about this is that you need to draw a full, all right, something like that, something like that, something like that, something like that, so that it's full. Then from there you'll be able to know that you have two. You have the smaller one with this base, and you have the bigger one with this base. So the bigger one is starting from here all the way to there. The smaller one starting from there all the way to there. Remember, this has a square base, so the breadth and the length are the same. Now, how do you find? So we have first, we need to find the length of the bigger one. Now, for you to find the length of the bigger one, remember there is x here, whose height is for the smaller one. Now we need to find the height for the smaller one. Let me just give an example. I'll use plain ones, right? So here there is 4, here there is 10. Now we need to find the height, this, right? Now this one is starting from there all the way there, which is 9. Now remember, this small one is part of it there, so it's x there. So the height for the bigger one, it's 9 plus x. So to find the value of x, we use similarity. These two are similar. So we'll say this base with the height, the base for the bigger one and the height for the bigger one, they went together. So 9 plus x, which is the bigger height, over the base for the bigger one, is equal to, because they're in the same ratio, you maintain here is height, even here is height. So over 4, which is the base. After you cross multiply, you work out, it will read you where it says x is equal to 6 centimeters. So what you found here is a value of x. Therefore, remember that x is the height for the smaller prism, right? A pyramid, or if it's a pyramid, yeah, it's a pyramid. So x is the same as height for the smaller pyramid. Wow. How do you find the height for the bigger one? It will be x plus 9, which is 9 plus 6 will give you 15. How do you find the volume? Now, for you to find the volume of the frustum, you need to know the volume for the bigger one. You also know the volume for the smaller one. Then you subtract, which I wrote here. Volume for the bigger one, 1 over 3 height, breadth, length, minus the volume for the smaller one, 1 over 3 HBL. So here we came. Height, we found it was 15. Breadth and length, remember, breadth and length are the same because it's a square. So 10 by 10 minus 1 over 3. Height here is 6. Remember, it has got a square base, the smaller one, so it will be 4 by 4. It's there. Once you find there, you subtract, and this will give you the volume of the frustum. I hope that worked out. I'll see you in the next video.